Regulating social media use by children. The Union government is considering a separate legislation to regulate social media uses among children under 18 years, adopting a graded age-based restriction framework rather than a blanket ban. The proposed law may be introduced during the monsoon session of the parliament after stakeholder consultations. The move reflects rising concerns globally about digital addiction, harmful online content, and mental health impacts on children, while also balancing digital rights and access to information. Government's proposed approach, graded age-based restriction. The government is examining a tiered regulatory structure for different age groups, 8 to 12 years. Strictest restriction with parental supervision and limited uses, 12 to 16 years. Moderate restriction with controlled access, 16 to 18 years. Relatively relaxed restriction but still monitored. The aim is to balance child safety with digital exposure, acknowledging that today's children are more digitally aware than earlier generations. Possible regulatory measures. Several mechanisms are being discussed, for example, time based restriction, limited daily usage hours, login restriction, preventing social media access during evening or night hours, parental consent for creating account, platform accountability. Social media companies may need to implement safeguards for minors. These proposals draw inspiration from global models such as China's 1 hour per day limit for online gaming for minors. Global context, rising regulation of children's social media's use. Concerns regarding children's online safety have triggered regulatory initiatives worldwide. For instance, Australia introduced landmark legislation restricting children's social media use. Indonesia plans to ban Instagram and other high-risk platforms for users under 16. France President Emmanuel Macron proposed banning social media for children below 15. European countries, Spain and others are considering similar restrictions. These initiatives highlight growing concerns about AI-driven harmful content, cyberbullying, and digital addiction. Policy support. The Economic Survey 25-26 recommended age-based limits on social media use for children, restriction on targeted digital advertisement for minors, promotion of simpler devices such as basic phones and education-focused tablets. The survey also suggested content filters and usage limits to protect children from violent, sexual, gambling-related, or addictive online content. Rationale behind regulation. Mental health concerns. Excessive social media use can lead to digital addiction, anxiety and depression, sleep disruption, and cyberbullying. Exposure to harmful content. Algorithm and AI-generated content have increased the circulation of violent material, sexual content, gambling promotion, and misinformation. Child safety as a policy priority. Government sources emphasize that citizen safety will to the guiding principle in designing the law. Concerns and challenges. Operational challenges. Tech companies warn about difficulties in implementing restrictions. For example, geo restrictions at the state level are difficult due to nationwide connectivity. Different state level rules, example Karnataka versus Andhra Pradesh, may create compliance challenges. Definitional issues. States may define child differently. For example, Andhra Pradesh ban for children below 13, Karnataka ban for those under 16. Such inconsistencies could create regulatory fragmentation, risk of circumvention. Industry representative warn that bans may push teenagers to unregulated platforms and logged out browsing, bypassing safety protections. Digital rights and freedom of expression. Digital rights groups argue that blanket bans may violate children's right to information, expression, and participation in digital spaces. Digital gender divide. The Internet Freedom Foundation cautions that restrictions framed as protection may reinforce patriarchal control over girls' internet access, widening the digital gender divide, particularly in rural areas. Way forward. Balanced regulatory framework. Instead of outright bans, India could adopt proportionate regulations combining age verification systems, content moderation requirements, and platform accountability. Strengthening digital literacy. Education systems should integrate digital safety education, awareness about misinformation, cyberbullying, and online risk. Parental and institutional involvement. Policies should emphasize parental supervision and school level digital awareness programs, platforms, design reforms. Regulators could mandate child-safe algorithms, reduce addictive design features, stronger privacy and data protection mechanism, uniform national framework. A central law would ensure consistency across states and reduce compliance complexity. Conclusion: India is moving toward a nuanced regulatory framework for children's social media users, prioritizing safety while preserving digital access and freedom. A graded age-based system combined with digital literacy, platform accountability, and parental oversight may provide a balanced solution. Such an approach could help mitigate risks like digital addiction, harmful content exposure, and mental health issues while ensuring that children remain empowered participants in the digital ecosystems.